Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 13A. One question is written here. Question number 8. A and B can finish a piece of work in 16 days and 12 days respectively. A started the work and worked at it for 2 days. He was then joined by B. Find the total time taken to finish the work. Students, in this question here, A can finish a piece of work in 16 days and B can finish a piece of work in 12 days. So A 1 day's work, age 1 day's work, age 1 day's work equal to 1 by 16. Age 1 day's work equal to 1 by 16. Since therefore age 2 days work, age 2 days work, 1 day's work is 1 by 16, 2 days work is 1 by 16 into 2, 2 8 is 16, so 1 by 8. Remaining work, total work is 1. 1 by 8 work is done by A in 2 days. So 1 minus 1 by 8 equal to 8 is LCM. 8 minus 1, 7 by 8 work is remaining work. Now B is 1 day's work. B is 1 day's work. B can finish a piece of work in 12 days. So B is 1 day's work is 1 by 12. A plus B is 1 day's work. 1 by 16 plus 1 by 12. Take an LCM. LCM of 16 and 12 is 48. 16 3 are 48 plus 12 4 are 48. So 3 plus 7 equal to 7. Sorry, 3 by 4. So 3 plus 4 by equal to 7 by 48. A plus B is 1 day's work is 7 by 48. Now A plus B is done 7 by 48 work in 1 day. A plus B 1 work in 48 by 7 day. Therefore remaining work is 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 work is done by A plus B 48 by 7 into 7 by 8. 7 to 7 cancel. 8 6 equal to 6 days. Therefore total time equal to 2 days plus 6 days equal to 8 days answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 12. 10. Question number 10 is written here. A can do 2 by 3 work. A can do 2 by 3 of a certain work in 16 days, and B can do 1 by 4 of the same work in 3 days. In how many days can both finish the work working together? Students, here A can do 2 by 3 work. It is not 1 work. 2 by 3 work of a certain work in 16 days. So A can finish a piece of work. 2 by 3 work in 16 days. So A can finish a piece of work in 16 into 2 by 3 change into 3 by 2. So 8 to the 16. That means 8 3 the 24 days. 24 days. And B can finish a piece of work. B can finish a 1 by 4 work, 1 by 4 of the same work in 3 days. So B can finish a piece of work in 3 into 1 by 4 change into 4 by 1. So that means 3 4 the 12 days. Now is 1 day's work. Is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 24. B is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 12. A plus B is A plus B is 1 day's work. B is 1 day's work is 1 by 12. Solve. So 1 by 24 plus 1 by 12. LCM of 24 and 12 is 24. 24 1 is 24, so 1. 12 2 is 24, so 2. 1 plus 2. 3 by 24. 3 8 is 24 equal to 1 by 8. So therefore total time taken by A plus B equal to 1 by 8 change into 8 days. Answer of this question. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 13. It is last question also today. In this question, A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. B and C in 15 days. And C and A in 20 days. How much time will A alone take to finish the job? Will A alone take to finish the job? Here A plus B can do a piece of work in 12 days. So A plus B plus B is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 12. B plus C is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 15. Now C plus A is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 20. So A plus B all together A plus B plus C 1 day's work equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Taking LCM of 12, 15 and 20 is 60. 12 5 is 60 plus 5. 5 plus 5 4 is 60 plus 4. And 12 3 is 60, so plus 3. Equal to 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 by 60. 12 5 is 60. That means 1 by 5. Sorry. A plus B. A plus B. B plus C. C plus A. A plus A 2A. 2A plus 2B plus 2C. That implies A plus B plus C is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 5. We have to here multiply by transposition changing to divide. So 5 into 2 equal to 1 by 10. 1 by 10 work. Now A is 1 day's work. A alone is 1 day's work equal to A plus B plus C is 1 day's work is 1 by 10 minus B plus C is work. A plus B plus C is 1 day's work minus B plus C is work. Minus B plus C is 1 day's work. So left A is 1 day's work minus 1 by 15. Taken LCM 10 and 15. 10 and 15, 30. 10 3 is 30 minus 15 2 is 30 equal to 1 by 30. Therefore, total time taken by A equal to 1 by 30 change into 30 days. Answer. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 13A, question number 8 to 13. Thank you. That's all.